And welcome back to Everyman RV. Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, Washington, which is about a mile west of the Washington-Idaho border. Brett's has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana, selling everything from travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, boats, and cargo trailers. You can see their new and used inventory right now at brettsrv.com. In the meantime, here's today's feature presentation.
Hey, it's Ed here with Brett's RV in Liberty Lake, Washington, and I want to introduce you to the Ember 25 RUD. So here we are at the front of the Ember, and I want to talk about some of the key features because this is a truly off-grid RV. You can go off-grid. You got a 3,000 watt inverter, and on top you have 400 watts of solar. Here at the end of the Ember, I want to introduce you to the water heater, true on-demand hot water. You're out camping, you get all dirty, you want to take a nice hot shower, don't you? Your docking station is right here. And then right below, you'll notice that it's got electric stabilizers. Every Ember has ASDEL. And what that means for you is there's no wood products inside. So there's no delamination, as you've probably seen on other RVs. This does not have that. Hey, as you notice, when you first walk in, you've got a huge dinette. Great for family entertainment. It also makes it into a bed. And then over here, we have theater seating. It's gonna be able to allow you to relax after a tough hike and watch some TV. Right here, huge 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. And why that's important to you is when you're off grid, it's gonna keep everything cold. One of the things that you always want is a large pantry. If you're out camping for a couple weeks, you need some food. How often in RVs do you have large drawers? Not very often. Look, you got 3 large drawers right here in your kitchen. As we move from the living quarters to the bathroom, you'll notice it's a large bathroom. Plenty of storage. And here's one thing that I always love to do. Stand in the shower. There's 3 things I tell people. Stand in the shower, sit on the toilet, and lay on the bed, because those are your deal breakers. I'm 6'1", I got plenty of room. As we transition out of the bathroom, you can see this is a great bedroom. It's a residential queen. You got cubbies back there, plenty of storage on both sides of the bed. You got hanging stuff, overhead storage, great room. Well, there we gave you a quick tour of our Ember 25 RUD. If you want to check it out, my name's Ed. I'll give you a personal tour. But come see us at Brett's RV Liberty Lake or brettsrv.com. Thanks for watching.
Just another example of the cool stuff they have here at Brett's RV and Marine. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman RV. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.